Hi, this is Joe Igualiardi, and this is my Monte Carlo 3 linear congruential generator project. So for this assignment, we had to essentially come to an understanding and learn how random numbers are made from computers. And for many computers, for random numbers, they are made by linear congruential generators, which combines a couple things here. We have a constant, we have a multiplier, and we have a modulus, as well as like a seed to start. And as you can see, both of these numbers are odd. It combines this modulus operation of remainders from division and using prime numbers to get some random numbers. So let's go into MATLAB, show my code. So we defined some variables here, like I said. We're also going to define a lambda equals 1, which will be used later. This is going to run through from 2 to after the our initial seed. It's going to run from 2 to 10,000 and create a bunch of random numbers for us. However, these need to be scaled by the modulus. And this code right here will give us the third random number in the list, which we were looking for in the assignment. We have a subplot here, which will show the histogram of just the random numbers. And then if you jump down to here, this is the code that you get from integrating the cumulative density function of the exponential distribution. And when you do this, you solve for r in that, and you use that you use that formula in this equation here. And so this can be done for other distributions like Weibull or gamma. And so we're going to have a subplot, two plots, one of just the random numbers, which should be uniformly distributed between 0 and 1. And this plot should be show an exponential curve of the data since we're doing random variates. So let's just run this. And as you can see, the code is run, and if we look at our graphs here, from 0 to 1, we have a pretty uniform distribution of the random numbers, and then this other subplot was the exponential distribution, and as you can see, it shows an exponential curve. So we have done this correctly. Like I said, R will show just your list of random numbers from 0 to 1, except for the first one, obviously, because that was a seed. And yeah, big X will be our exponential. Yes, exponential. Our random variates, rather. So from this, we learned a couple things. I laid out my pseudocode here, and we learned how to make a random number generator as well as invert and use a CDF of a distribution to create random variates as well as plotting both and seeing what they look like on histograms. So thank you for watching.